When Nick looked at his cell phone bill for the month, he saw that he spent 1/6 of his minutes talking to his mother and half of his minutes talking to his best friend. What fraction of his minutes did Nick spend talking to either his mother or his best friend? Well, we want to find the total amount of minutes that were spent. So we're going to take 1/6 and we're going to add 1/2 to it. 1/6 plus 1/2. Now, the denominators here are different, and we can't add fractions unless they have the same denominator. So we need to find the least common denominator. This one's not so bad. Since 2 is able to be divided from 6, that means all I have to do is change this 2 to a 6 by multiplying the 2 by 3. Whatever you do to the bottom number, the denominator, you do to the top number, the numerator. So I'm going to multiply 1 times 3 and 2 times 3. So 1 over 6 plus 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. That gives us 1 over 6 plus 3 over 6. Now in adding fractions, you can combine the numerators through addition like you normally would. 1 plus 3 is 4. When you add fractions of the same denominator, keep the denominator the way it is so the denominator stays 6. Now you should look at this and notice, well, wait a minute, 4 and 6, those are both even numbers. I can simplify this fraction by dividing the 4 by 2 and dividing the 6 by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and now we have a simplified fraction. However, this is a word problem. We're not done. We need to answer the question, what fraction of his minutes did Nick spend talking to either his mother or his best friend? Well, the fraction is 2/3 of his minutes. So that's how we're going to say it. 2/3 of his minutes. And that's going to be our answer.